My name's Simon. I'm one of the flight sim engineers, and this is our A320 flight sim with FL35 projectors fitted. It's a 200-degree mirror by 40 degrees, and we chose the FL35s for this type of mirror because of the resolution and to aid the clarity of the picture and basically the focus of the picture. And we are very happy with the results so far. The colour palettes are very good on these projectors. We get very good reds, which was one of our requirements for the Pappies and Varsies, and we've had very good feedback with regard to the colour palettes on these projectors. One of the other advantages of the DLP projector with the LED is that against the LCOS projector is that we don't have to change lamps every 3 months, and also they maintain balance across all channels. We have less maintenance activities at night on these projectors because we don't have to do the calibration and the colour balance checks, and they're maintaining their brightness. We're currently getting over 6-foot Lamberts, just shy of actually 7, so it's exceeding what we're actually trying to achieve. So. We've had the FL32 projectors fitted to some of our other simulators, which we've had on for 12 months, or in excess of 12 months now. So having the 4 meg projector on the 200-degree by 40 mirror was something that we had to do to increase the resolution, have better resolution and a crisper, sharper picture. And we've been maintaining or checking the brightness levels, and they've been very consistent, exceeding 6-foot Lamberts, and the good cross-cockpit balance has also maintained, so we are very pleased with the results.
Retard.